In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete relationships Microsoft Access tutorial. Deleting a relationship in Access simply removes the link between two tables. It does not delete the tables themselves or the data inside them. This is useful if you need to redesign your database or fix a link that was set up incorrectly. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database you want to modify. Before you do anything else, make sure none of the tables or queries that participate in the relationship are open. Look along the top for any tabs showing those objects and close them. Access won't let you change relationships while related objects are open, so this step prevents error messages later. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and switch to the Database Tools tab. In that tab, find and click the Relationships button, usually located in the Show, Hide, or Relationships group. This opens the Relationships window, which displays your tables and the lines that represent how they're linked. If you don't immediately see both tables you're working with, that's okay. You can add them to the view so you can see the connector line. Doing that just shows the objects. It doesn't create or remove anything by itself. Now, in the diagram, move your cursor directly over the line that connects the two related tables you want to unlink. When you've got the correct line selected, it will appear thicker. That thicker line is your visual confirmation that the relationship itself, not just a table, has focus. If multiple lines exist between the same tables, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one by checking the fields listed near the endpoints of the line. With the line selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. That is the quickest way to remove the relationship. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the selected line to open the shortcut menu, then choose delete. Both actions do the same thing. Use whichever feels more comfortable. Access may display a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the selected relationship from your database. This is just confirming the link removal, not a data loss warning. Click yes to finalize the deletion. If Access indicates that the relationship can't be deleted, double check that all related tables and queries are closed, and confirm you selected the correct line. That's it, you've removed the relationship, giving you a clean slate to redesign or recreate the link as needed.